Hello friends, welcome to another refrigeration HVAC Red Seal license practice questions. In this video, I'll be doing multiple choice set 46 and starting right away with question number 1. The name of the air mixed with fuel before the fuel reached the burner is called A. Primary air, B. Secondary air, C. Flue air, or D. Exhaust air. Correct answer is A. Primary air. Number 2. Modern high-efficiency furnaces, 90 to 97% using natural gas, use a motorized combustion fan or blower that draws the right amount of air to the burner. Is this statement true or false? Correct answer is A. True. Number 3. How much volts is used to create spark in spark ignition system? A. 5,000 volts, B. 10,000 volts, C. 15,000 volts, or D. 20,000 volts? Correct answer is C. 15,000 volts. Number 4. Dew point temperature is where wet bulb is blank, dry bulb temperature. A. More than, B. Equal to, or C. Less than? Correct answer is B. Equal to. Number 5. Heat transfer in the form of waveform is called A. Conduction, B. Convection, C. Radiation, or D. Ignition? Correct answer is C. Radiation. Number 6. The downstream velocity of sound wave is greater than the same wave in a fluid at rest. This is because of A. Mach effect, B. Hertz effect, C. Bernoulli effect, or D. Doppler effect? Correct answer is D. Doppler effect. Number 7. Temperature resistance characteristic in a thermistor is A. Proportional, B. Linear, C. Nonlinear, or D. Equal? Correct answer is C. Nonlinear. Number 8. From pump affinity laws, when the impeller diameter is constant, the power consumption of a centrifugal pump is proportional to the blank of its speed. A. Square, B. Square root, C. Fourth power, or D. Cube? Correct answer is D. Cube. Number 9. From fan affinity laws, when the shaft diameter is when the shaft speed is constant, the power consumption of a fan is proportional to the blank of its impeller diameter. A. Square, B. Square root, C. Fourth power, or D. Cube? Correct answer is D. Cube. Number 10. The most common and widely used type of controller used in HVAC is A. Proportional controller, B. Integral controller, C. Derivative controller, or D. Proportional and integral or PI controller? Correct answer is D. Proportional and integral or PI controller. Number 11. Reclaimed refrigerant must meet this standard before it can be resold. A. RE400, B RE500, C RE600, or D RE700? Correct answer is D RE700. RE is the trade association in North America representing manufacturers of heating, ventilation, air conditioning, commercial refrigeration, and HVACR and water heating equipment. This is from their website of RE and uh, yeah. Okay, this is the end of this video, and hope you learned something from this video, and happy reviewing. Hope you pass your Red Seal exam, successfully get your Red Seal license. Okay, cheers, take care, have a good one.